This is another Forex Weekly analysis using top-down approach. So if you don't know what top-down approach is, top-down analysis is basically going to a higher time frame like monthly time frame, looking at the direction of the market, know where the market is flowing to, then we'll bring it down to the weekly time frame to expand it and look at it critically. We'll now move down to daily time frame and further take it to 4-hour time frame where we shall be taking our entries. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit that subscription button so that you know whenever we upload a new content. Oh yeah, subscribe. Let me give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Subscribe. So let's go. Starting on gold. So this is gold on a monthly time frame. What are you seeing on our front? We are seeing that the direction of this market is bullish because market is doing series of higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. So currently price has broken above this resistance level. Let me show you. Okay, this is our upper resistance level. Price has broken above it, and this is our lower resistance level, and this is our support zone. So this is our higher resistance zone. Price has broken above it, come back for a retest, and price is trying to push up again. So now we have seen that in the monthly the price is moving up. So let's go down to weekly time frame for further clarification. So in a weekly time frame, you can see that price has created a weekly high. Let me highlight it. Let me highlight it for you so that you see it. So this is our weekly high. Let me clone this. This is our weekly high now. The price has created. Let me change this color. So after creating this weekly high, price come back for a retest and trying to push up. Now look at the price action that closed last week. You see, after this indecision candle, the next price action that happened here is bullish engulf candle, signifying that the price is moving up to at least this weekly resistance level. So let's take it to daily time frame for further analysis. All right, so this is a daily time frame on a gold, and you see that in a daily time frame we have changed from this zone. You notice that when price came in contact with this daily resistance level, okay, price saw a sell pressure that put this market down to where? To this fair value gap. Making contact to this fair value gap, price saw a buying pressure and price started reversing, created a this high, come back for a retest and broke above it, signifying that the price is moving up. You can see currently the price is coming back to test this broken level of resistance on a daily. So let's move down to 4-hour time frame for further analysis. So on a 4-hour time frame, you can see clearly that the price has changed from bearish to bullish. How do I know? Initially, price was moving down, creating lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower high, and it couldn't create equal low or another lower. Rather, price came and do what? Break above this zone. You can see that this zone has been broken, thereby creating a higher high. After higher high, what next do you expect? I'm expecting a higher low for doing what? For a continuational push to the upside. So let's see how we can join this movement to the up. So after this change of character here, you notice that price has closed below this zone. We have closed below this zone. Number one, signifying a change of character. Number two, we have also broken above. We have broken out of this trend line. Are you seeing it? Now, what next? We are waiting for a price to retrace back to this institutional reference point. There are a lot of institutional reference points here, whereby once price come into this zone, we'll take our buys. So the next thing to do is to take out our Fibonacci 2, to measure our retracement level. So this is our Fibonacci 2. As I already explained to you in the previous videos, that we only buy at a discount area. You see the gold shaded portion is our discount area. So we wait for price to enter our discount area. So when price come into our discount area, we will look for institutional reference point in this discount area. And currently we are having about 3 of them here. Look at number 1 here. We have a fair value gap here inside our discount area. These are institutional reference points. And see another level here. I'm seeing another one. See another fair value gap here. So we're putting our eyes here. Whenever price come to this zone, we'll look for a change of character in 15 minutes and we'll take our buys. As simple as that, and we'll have our other block. So these are 3 areas that we'll be looking at for. In 15 minutes time frame, once price slide into these zones, we will not go to 15 minutes time frame where we'll be picking up our entry. So we allow price to slide in. If price slide into this place, we'll go to 15 minutes time frame, look for change of character. If it don't happen there, we allow price to slide into this place. If you don't see it here, we allow price to slide into this place. So among the three zones that I've highlighted, once price come to these three zones and we see a change of character in 15 minutes, we take our buy. So next pair on our list is GBP USD. So GBP USD on a monthly time frame, you can see that the price is sliding down. We are heading to the south, showing that we are bearish. So let's go to weekly time frame for further analysis. So in a weekly time frame, you notice that we are bullish not until we break we break this trend line. Let me show you. You see this trend line, the day we break below it was the day the bearish started. And also the day we broke this higher low, the day we break and close this higher low on a weekly was the day the direction changed from bullish to bearish. So from this weekly, our interest is now is to how can we take this buy? Sorry, how can we take this sell? Because market is coming down. Okay, to where? To this monthly support level. So let's go down to daily time frame for further analysis. So on a daily time frame, what are we seeing on a daily time frame? The market is in a downtrend. How do we know? You can see it higher highs, higher lows. Starting from this weekly resistance zone, market created this lower low, lower high, created another equal low, created lower high, and price has created another lower low. So currently we are moving back to create a lower high for a continuational move towards this weekly support level. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame where we're picking up our entries. All right. So this is 4-hour time frame on GBP USD. The first thing we do is to pick out our Fibonacci retracement tool, and from this swing high to swing low to know where our discount and our premium lies. So we allow price to come into the premium zone because we want to sell. You sell at premium and you buy at discount. We have fair value gap at premium. This is it. Allow price to slide into this zone. We'll do what? We'll sell. On a 15 minutes time frame, we have one entry there. We also have another entry here. We also have another entry using this bearish order block. So these are two zones that we'll be looking at for. Once price make contact to this zone in a lower time frame, okay, we'll look for what? A change of character in 15 minutes and we'll do what? We sell. So let's go down to next pair on the list, which is Euro USD. So Euro USD on a monthly time frame, you can see that Euro USD is sliding down after bridging this. You see this support trend line. Immediately price bridge it, market start bleeding. So we are heading down to this monthly support level. But the question is, how do we join this movement? So let's go down to weekly time frame for further look. So in a weekly time frame, you notice that we're also moving towards south because market is in a downtrend, creating lower lows and lower highs. From this zone, created this lower low, created this lower high, and we are moving down for another lower low. So weekly, we are moving down. So let's go down to daily time frame for further analysis. So this daily time frame on Euro USD, what do you notice in a daily time frame? That the market is bearish because we are experiencing series of lower lows and lower highs, lower low, lower high, another lower low, another lower high, another lower low, another lower high. We have created a new lower low. After lower low, what next? We are going back for a lower high before we start bleeding down to the south. So the question is, how do we join this movement now? We'll answer this question in a 4-hour time frame. So let's go to 4-hour time frame for another analysis. So in a 4-hour time frame, all you need to do now is to pull out your Fibonacci tool from swing high to swing low. Okay, and we'll sell from the premium area In the premium area, what are the institutional reference points we have here? Let's highlight it. Number one, we even have fair value gap here. Don't forget, this one also entered into in between. This one is in between. Okay. Then again, we have another one here. Look at this small one here. Another fair value gap here. We have it here. And again, we have our other block. So these are three zones that we should keep our eyes upon. Whenever price come to this zone, we will do what? We will sell. So on a 15 minutes time frame, here we begin our entries. So when we go to your 15 minutes time frame, see a change of character, we'll do what? We'll sell. And I'll be dropping these signals in my free Telegram channels. So if you have not joined our free Telegram channel, you are missing a lot. Because last year, we make a lot of money there. So those that join my free Telegram channel are testament of this because I drop signals there once or twice every week. So do yourself good to join our free Telegram channel. So next pair on our list is GBP JPY. So GBP JPY, you can see in a monthly time frame that the price is moving up. How do I know? Look at it. These are monthly support level and these are monthly lower resistance level after breaking this resistance. Okay, and this is our monthly higher resistance level, and price is trying to push up to this resistance level. But after making this push, price could not continue. Rather, price do what? Came back for a retest, and after doing this retest, it trying to push up again. But since that within the past 3 months, the price has been within around this zone because it didn't see enough strength to continue moving up. So let's go down to weekly time frame for further analysis. All right, on a weekly time frame on GBP USD, what are we seeing now? So let me highlight our weekly resistance level. Okay, so our weekly resistance level. This is our weekly resistance level. Let me change this color. Okay, let me bring our weekly support level. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing here. This is our weekly support level here. You can see it. So this is our weekly support level. So price has pushed up. Price has pushed up. You can see it from this weekly. Price has pushed up here, created this high, and find a sell pressure that push this price down. Okay, so after this down movement, price has pushed up again. But currently, there's a sell pressure going on here because if you look at it, we are seeing a sell confirmation on this weekly resistance level. Because when you look at this, you see that last week closed with a bearish engulf candle, signifying that this price is coming back to drop to this weekly support level. So the question is now, how do we join this movement from this zone to this zone? Let's go down to daily time frame for further analysis. All right, on a daily time frame, you can see that this that weekly resistance level that we are seeing, and also we are seeing that we have a triple top here: first attempt, second attempt, and third attempt with bearish engulf candles, signifying that the price is dropping to at least this weekly support level. So the question is now, how do we join this set to this weekly support level? Let's go down to 4-hour time frame. So this 4-hour time frame, already I have highlighted this. Let me explain it to you. This 4-hour time frame, you can see that in 4-hour time frame, price was initially in bullish momentum, not until this place was broken. You see this trend line, the trend line was broken. That's evidence number one, that the direction of the trend has changed. Then number two, you see that we have taken out this higher low. We have taken it out. So the price is coming back for a retest to where? To this institutional reference points. So this is where we're picking our entries. Let me highlight it for you. We have two ways here. Number one, we have fair value gap here. If price come to this fair value gap, we'll pick up a sell. Secondly, we have another reference point here. We have our bearish order block. So if price slide into this place, we can sell. Number three, we have our mitigation block. Let me be showing you. I will teach you to learn these things. These are zones that this price will likely come to. So we have our point of interest now. There are 3 points of interest. So all we need to do is to do what? Allow price to come here and go to 15 minutes time frame. And whenever we see a change of character in 15 minutes time frame, we do what? We pick up our sell. Okay, remember this is swing trade. We pick up our sell and we are aiming where? We are aiming to this zone. Okay, and our stop loss will be above this zone. So this is how we're picking up our sales on GBP, JPY. So next pair on the list is our next pair on the list is Euro JPY. So let me highlight, let me bring it out. Euro JPY. So Euro JPY is similar to GBP JPY because in a monthly you can see that after creating this high in a monthly time frame, we are now seeing some kind of selling pressure. After creating this high, we came back to pick up another buys here. But the buyers could not sustain to push the market up. Rather, for the past 3 months, market had been within around this zone. So let's go down to weekly time frame for further analysis. Yeah. So on a weekly time frame on Euro JPY, let's highlight our weekly resistance level so that you see it clearly. I hope you are following on this because I want you guys to be profitable. So this is our weekly resistance level. Let me change the color. Okay, right. And let me also put our weekly support level somewhere here. You see our weekly support level. All right. So you notice that price push up, creating this high. After creating this high, price came back again to see a buying pressure that push up this price to this weekly resistance level. But currently, there's a selling pressure going on here because if you look close, you will see a bearish engulf candle, signifying that this price is dropping from this zone to at least this weekly support level. So the question is, how do we take this sales to this weekly support level? So let's go down to daily time frame for further look. So in a daily time frame, you can see that there's not much price action going on here. The only thing you can notice here is that there's head and shoulder pattern forming here. This is left shoulder, this is head, and this is right shoulder. So you find that this price is doing what? Dropping to at least this weekly support level. But our entry will be on 4 hour time frame. So let's look at 4 hour time frame. All right. So this 4 hour time frame on a Euro JPY, you notice that the price was initially up there, not until we bridge this place, this higher low. The day we take this higher low was the day the change of character occurs. That change of character signifies that this trend is over. And this trend started from where? This trend started from this zone. Those of you that follow me knows that we make almost 700 pips from this trend when it was going up because we joined this price around this zone. Those of you that are in my free Telegram channel enjoyed that ride. We joined this price from this zone and we make this market till this market come to this place. This is exactly where I exited my entries. Okay, so now another ride is coming up. So what are we waiting for? Let us bring out our Fibonacci tool to measure our retracement level. So we take it from this zone. We take it from this zone to this zone. Now, where is our institutional reference point? That will be the question. Where is our institutional reference point? Where is our institutional reference point? Our institutional reference point is here. Let me highlight it. Our institutional reference point is here. There's a fair value gap here. Okay, so this one is in between the 50% retracement. Okay, there's a fair value gap here, and there's also a other block. You look at it closely, there's other block. All these things are in between the 50% retracement. There's other block here. So we do not sell immediately price come to this zone. All we need to do is just to wait to see a change of character in 15 minutes because there's a major one here. There's a fair value gap here. So you need to stay calm. Just remain calm. I will drop this signal as a free signal in my free Telegram channel. If you have not joined my free Telegram channel, kindly see the link and join my free Telegram channel because I drop signals there once or twice every week. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel because What I drop here is what will help you to be profitable in your forex journey. And share this video. There are a lot of people that need this video. Share this video. Let this video go viral. See you guys in the comment section. Drop your opinion in the comment section. Drop your questions in the comment section. I will see you guys in my next episode. Cheers.